Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Garou Mark of the Wolves error code 0x003c. The error reads, "You cannot play this mode while offline. Please check your network connection." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to access certain game modes, despite being fully connected to the internet. Some users have reported that others are playing the game at the same time without any issues, making the error even more confusing. Now, let's go through the possible fixes for Garou Mark of the Wolves error code 0x003c. First, we suggest power cycling your device along with your router. To do this, turn off your gaming device and unplug it from the power source. Turn off your router and unplug it as well. Wait for about 5 minutes. Plug everything back in, turn them on and check if the error still appears. If power cycling does not resolve the issue, check if you need to update the game or the launcher. If any updates are available, install them and try launching the game again. If the error still comes despite everything being up to date, try the following. Disconnect your device from the internet. Restart your device. Once your device restarts, reconnect to the internet. Launch the game and check if the error still appears. At last, if you still get the error after all this, then try connecting your device over the other Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot network and see if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.